How to use EndNote in Word document. First, you have to search on browser EndNote website. Then click on first link. Log into your account with email and password. Then download EndNote from here by clicking on Try or by EndNote. After download EndNote, if you use Microsoft Word, then you would see a Cite While You Write toolbar will be added to Microsoft Word. This toolbar allows you to insert and format your EndNote citations in Word. To insert citations into your Word document, place your cursor in the text at the point where you want to insert the in-text citation. Select Go to EndNote in the Cite While You Write toolbar and it will open to your EndNote library. In EndNote, highlight the reference or references you wish to insert. Then click the Insert Citation button. The citation will be added in text and the reference list entry will be added to the bottom of the document. That's it. Thanks for watching.